Here's the question. Someone thinks that they accidentally deleted or removed the publish to web feature in Google Docs and they can't find it. I know that there's some uniqueness to where that's placed based on where you are in Google, and I'm going to show you what that's all about in this video. But before I do, hit that subscribe and that notify button. That's the only payment I want. So if I go to Google Docs, let's go to this dodgy Google Docs. And if you go look right here, File, Publish to Web is not there. It's not an option here. It's hidden here. It is under Share, Publish to Web. There it is right there for Google Docs. But let's go to Google Sheets. Here's a Google Sheet, and under File, here's Share, and it's Published to Web under Share as well. But let's go to the Google Slides. Now in Google Slides, File, right here it is on the main menu, Published to Web. Actually, it's not even under Share because the Share button's all the way up here. It's right here, Publish to Web. A little bit different in Google Slides. Hey, let's go look at Google Drawings. Here's a drawing. File, Publish to Web. It is also under the main menu and not under Share. And one more. I think I have a map. Google, my first map. And under Google Maps, it's not under Share, because that brings up this right here. Doesn't have Publish to Web, but where it is under the top, not down here, but under the top 3 dots, Embed on my site. And if you do that, you get the iframe code so you can publish to web. So the bottom line is you didn't lose it. You didn't remove it. What happened is in different places in Google Drive, Sheets, Docs, Slides, Drawing, Maps, etc., the Publish to Web is in different places. Typically, it's under the Share button. If it's not under the Share button, it's on the root of the menu. If it's not on the root of the menu, it's under Share, or in the context of Maps, it's under the 3 dots. I'm Teddy, your Google Workspace and Gmail strategist, trainer, and coach. And I hope this is helpful for you.